I tried to record this video in a park. I found a park on Apple Maps. I drove to the park, and the park under construction. So right now I'm in a random ass Home Depot parking lot. There's a Walmart right in front of me. But yeah, I'm gonna give y'all a little tour of the car and kind of just like an introduction to the channel. My name is Dalo. This is my 2026 GR86 Yuzu edition. As you can tell by these paddles, it's automatic. Eat my dick and go give y'all a little look at the car. Can y'all drop in the comments what I should name the car right now? Like, I got it named Pollen. I didn't even think about that till today, because I went to make TikToks for the car, and it was Pollen on the car, and I'm like, yo, I could just call the car Pollen. So right now, that's the name of the car. But if y'all know any better names for the car other than Bumblebee, let me know. But I'm gonna give y'all a quick look around at the car. Then I'm gonna give y'all a POV drive to the house, and then I'm gonna see y'all at the next video. It's lucky hella crowded, but this is the car, y'all. 2026 GR86 Yuzu edition. I'm gonna show y'all some real quick. As y'all can see, we got subs in the trunk. Now I think I want to take them out. Wait, what is that? Oh, that's my bag. I think I want to take them out. I don't know, just because I like my music. But it makes the back of the car lean back. My fault. I came back in the car because I was nervous. It's a lot of people outside and a lot of people driving around staring at me because I'm talking next to a bright yellow fucking car. So my apologies. But yeah, what was I about to say? The back of the car leans back. Like, I'm gonna show y'all. I keep getting in and out, but I'm gonna show y'all. As y'all can see by that side profile, I don't know if you can tell, but the bottom of the back of the car is leaning down. Like, it's, maybe if I walk around the other side. Can y'all see that? Like, the back is sagging a little bit, but it's low-key not that bad. So, I mean, that's the only reason I think I'll take the subs out. I don't really care for the handling because I'm not gonna track the car. It's my street car, my daily. Just something nice. But yeah, I'm about to head home. I just wanted to show y'all the car. I really wanted to do it at a park. I'm mad I wasted gas in this economy. When I take premium, my car takes 93, bro, and I wasted like, I don't know how many gallons, how many miles trying to get here. Let me put my seatbelt on. Don't search for nothing on Apple Maps and trust it for what it is. Because I put up to that park thinking, like, it had a whole parking lot and all. Like, it looked like a normal park. So I pull up to the park and the shit's not even done being built. So I'm assuming Apple Maps picture is old as hell. And I pulled up to something else, unfortunately. So I wasted gas. When gas is $4.50 in Atlanta. But it's cool. We finna head to the house. I am short. I don't know if that matters, but this is like the farthest back. Like, I'm not, the camera's not gonna be, you know, because I'm short. I'm gonna give y'all a quick talk on the way home. My plans for the car, what I want to do. I'm not gonna drive manual right now because I need to hold my phone. Plans for this car. I want to put wheels and exhaust, new tail lights, new headlights, new side markers. There's a lot of shit I want to do. Y'all just gotta stay tuned. I need to figure out how I can safely record. Ah, shit. This car coming. I need to figure out how I can safely record. Don't mind if I do. I need to figure out how I can safely record while I'm driving. Because driving with one hand, well, I drive with one hand anyway. But it's the issue is me being focused on the camera angle when I need to be focused on the road. So that's what's kind of going on right now. And this old lady is blonde. That man just flashed her to get over, and she acting slow. Yeah, so far I got the car last Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. No, it's been exactly a week. I got the car last Tuesday, and today is Tuesday. Yeah, exhaust coming soon. I think that's like the main first mod that I want to do. I want to wrap the roof black as well. Y'all just stay tuned. It's a lot coming. Definitely a lot coming. And if you in Atlanta and you got a BRZ or an 86, let me know in the comments so we can link up. I need 86 friends. Like, I don't have no, I don't even got car friends at all. So to be honest, anybody that's in the cars, you got your little whip, you trying to go on cruises, we can do our own little car meets, our own little squad YouTube channel, anything. Let me know. Cause it's hard out here for a pimp, bro. Like, it's just me, myself, and I. Wait, what time is it? Because I'm gonna have to go back out to pick up my sister, so I might as well just drive to her school. But I'm gonna be wasting gas sitting in that fucking line. And gas is way too expensive. I filled up 2 days ago. I'm already gonna have a tank. Like, didn't have to plan my days like, yo, I can't drive because gas costs this much. Like, I should just be able to, gas shouldn't be like a deciding factor, you know what I'm saying? Like, gas shouldn't cost as much as it costs. I shouldn't have to question doing what I want to do because of how much the gas is. I've never had to do that. But now, I'm starting to miss my little Nissan Sentra, bro. This shit is crazy. Especially when you take premium, like what? It's $50 to fill this car up, y'all. Like, I'm shaking my head. Left lane, left lane. I'm a left lane hog. I'm just playing. Oh, look like we got a little car guy over there. All I see is y'all see that spoiler? What is that? I don't know what Lexus that is. If y'all know, let me know. I'm kinda, he got a diffuser on that shit too, I think. I'm kinda ignorant when it comes to my Lexuses. Although I'm in a Toyota. That's a IS, is that an IS 350? What does that say? Oh, y'all can't see that shit. Damn. I don't know what that is, but I think it's an IS 350. I think that's what I'm reading, but I might not be reading that. Fuck it, we going manual mode. Only reason I be driving manual mode, one, because it's more fun. My miles per gallon is higher when I drive manually. The automatic transmission in here don't know what it's doing, so I gotta shift my damn self to save this gas, because these prices is out fucking rages, bro. And yeah, just so I can kind of hear the car a little bit, because I don't have no exhaust, and I unplugged the fake shit. This car sounds like ass. I would roll the windows down for y'all, but y'all just gonna be hearing wind. So this is the best y'all gonna get until I get an exhaust. This shit kind of fire though. I ain't gonna lie. Jaguar? Was that a Jaguar? Am I a dickhead? Damn, bro, this shit pollinated as fuck. I would change the camera to him, but my tent not that dark. He just gonna see a camera flashing in his head. Not flashing, but you know. Oh shit. And that's exactly why I'm not gonna lower this car. I wanna lower this car so bad, y'all, but where I live, bro, it just don't make sense. Like, honestly, unfortunately. Like, for the looks, hell yeah, but for that daily nigga, hell no. I want to get around this nigga, but I bet you as soon as I get over, he gonna speed up, or I ain't gonna be able to pass him. So I ain't gonna do it. That happens to me every time. Oh, look, he finna turn, so I'm good. Come on, twin. What are you doing? Oh, let's turn up here. Forgot the spot. I'm finna get my windshield tinted though, y'all, because with a car this low and with a short nigga inside of it, the sun, like right now you can't see it, but getting up, ooh, what is that? Is that a Kia? Never mind. Them daylight running lights be getting me, bro. I thought it was some fun shit. The sun, but the sun be killing me. Like, as soon as I get off work, get on the highway, it's just sun. Like, that's the only reason I want to tint my windshield. It's not even for looks. That's why I'm not gonna go that dark. But I live in Atlanta, so I might still get pulled over for that. I ain't gonna lie. I'll give y'all a little pull real quick. We just barely made the light too. That's crazy. Just wait till I get an exhaust on here, y'all. I want an exhaust so bad. He sounding good. Just stay tuned. I got a lot of stuff coming. Right now, only thing I got ordered for the car is a phone mount, because if you know, it's literally nowhere to put your phone here. Like, my phone sits in the cup holder, which is stupid and inconvenient, especially with a big ass phone. I'm on a 17 Pro Max. Like, it's my elbow steady hitting it when I like my arm when I like I use the side as my armrest, so it's just uncomfortable. So new phone mount coming, but that's really it. I gotta find me. I found some side markers, but they sold out, and I don't really want to settle for nothing else. So I don't know what to do. They're like LED side markers, but they're tinted. They hard as hell. Like, I could go for something else, but it won't hit the same. Like, I don't know. Yeah, make sure y'all comment names. Like I said, right now I'm thinking pollen. Then I can go pollen on the license plate. But y'all just gotta let me know. I can't do bumblebee, and I don't know what would hit other than pollen. Like, piss. Riding in piss right now, and I'm finna head right back out so I can pick up my little sister. And I would take y'all with me, but I ain't gonna lie, I'm trying to hide from the family. I'm not gonna lie. That's embarrassing. Can't let the family know I'm doing YouTube. But they can know, they just can't know what the YouTube is. And they can't see me doing it. Which is why I drive as far as I do to do it. Damn, I got some fat ass fingers. Don't judge. Is that a Camaro? That shit kind of ugly, I'm not gonna lie. I think Racing Stripes is played up. Well, not even. Just like that. It's only on his hood, and them bitches fat. Respect all bills, though. Respect all bills. Also car meet this weekend, so expect a car meet video on like Saturday or Sunday. Today's Tuesday, yeah. Saturday or Sunday, I'm going to a car meet. Show y'all boys the whips they got. Hopefully I can meet some more 86s. I saw somebody the other day, he had a red 86, his shit was lowered. If you seeing this, you gonna know, because my car's bright fucking yellow and I gave you a thumbs up at the red light and we made eye contact. If you see this, let me know and maybe we can link up. I need like a group. I want a group, bro. I need a friend group. All my friends is like, they not into cars and shit. So it's just me, myself, and I. And like I said, it's getting hard out here for a pimp. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, expect the car meet video this weekend. Other than that, I'm out. Peace. Face ass. Let me give y'all a downshift.
I cannot hang with you niggas. I cannot fuck with the fuck with your lame ass niggas. Put a flame in this bitch. I'm a type of nigga, put it with a ring in this bitch.